first thing to do when your system's not working, for technicians, homeowners, everything, go to the thermostat and set it to heat or cool, because you want to check the air filter while you're inside and create the condition for where your issue is. So you want to go ahead, first thing, go to the thermostat, turn the heat or cool on, check the air filter, and then you can make your way to the equipment. So the thermostat's on heat, and we're going to check this gas pack out. Okay, LED 1, we've got one blink on red. Ignition failure based on this old paper. So let's open this up, and then we're going to reset it. Or we can pull this plug. You can pull the power, or on this Goodman, you could pull this out and reset it, or you could pull the fuse out. Let's do this. Let's do it the right way. All right. Just a little bit of spark. This is a spark igniter. I can smell the gas. Definitely gas coming out. Let's check out this igniter. This is great to have, right angle adapter. If you work on furnaces, you gotta have one. So this uses a ground. Sometimes this makes a bad connection. Let's see if I have steel wool. Might be out. We'll get some steel wool. Okay, I got steel wool. Clean that. And our igniter. Clean this. This uses the ground. And we can also, I can show you how to test this igniter. It's a simple test. Put your meter on ohms. Use an ohm meter. Go from here to here. Good to go. You're just checking to see if there's continuity or near 0 ohms. So we reinstall this. And then on these, I like to take these screws, wow, and run them back in and out, because it's part of the ground path. Let's see. And this can also be the board. We'll see what happens. Good to go. Nope. It works, but I didn't like it. Let's clean that igniter. I bet that's it. Let's clean this guy. Hopefully you can see on video the spark. It sparked from the igniter to the burner instead of the igniter to here. So sometimes I'll put a sheet metal screw through to help with the ground path. So we'll do that too. Take a self-tapper. See, these are painted. You would think there would be an unpainted screw in there somewhere. Let's see what happens. Working, but it's not great. We'll look at that again. I'm definitely going to diagnose bad control board. It's been replaced once. This is a replacement. It worked that time, but if you can hear the sound, it doesn't sound consistently strong. So on this one, I showed you how to clean the igniter, the ground for the igniter for the spark ignition. These Goodman gas packs are known for the control board. Okay, we're back. We've got the replacement, direct replacement board. Pull the power out, and we're going to replace this board. easiest way to replace this is one wire at a time. This plug is stuck. So we'll mount the new one. I'm going to use an extension. Okay, now we'll just replace them one at a time. We've got the igniter. Got this plug assembly. 2 clicks. Let's see. FS flame sensor. When you replace this, try to make it look neat. DI draft inducer. I think. And then L2. This is power. Power to the transformer. So this one says L1. Oh, they both say L1. So 2 L1s. Or, yeah, L2, our first L2. Right there. Another L2. There. Another L2. Another L2. Unused. Now we have our motor, blower motor taps. Cool is black, heat is blue. We have cool is black, black is high speed, blue is medium, and then we have red's unused, that's low speed, and we're good to go. Let's test it out. So we're going to jump R&W. Put this disconnect back. We've got a light. Alright, so the spark was a lot better. Let's cap this off here. If you ever have a wire nut that won't bite, clip the end of it and retry it. You want to twist until the wires twist. There we go. Good to go.